Sego se wagwego. Yago te duni ni I yungyats brant de wak senazere. Gandege genugere. My name's Jennifer Brandt, and my Ungwehui name is Yago te duni. And I'm going to sing a song called Turn It Around for you. I wrote it a few years ago, and it has the word Destani in it, which is turn it around in Ganikeha or Mohawk language. And it's just a hopeful song for the future, especially in light of all the things that have happened this year. Nyawagoa to Jijuha Ungwawana for putting together this virtual Indigenous Day celebration, and thanks for including me. Nyawagoa.
we will make the rules. Their lives will be so much better. They'll integrate into our world, gather all the children, every single little boy and girl. What hope do they have out there in the wild? Why do their parents keep them there? They don't understand what we can do for them. We believe they should be in our care. Come and get me, I cannot live here. Come and get me, there's so much hate and fear. No one here is nurturing or loving. They call me by a number, not a name. Come and get me. If I stay here, I'll surely go insane. Whoever devised this plan, whoever thought it was fair, now all these years have come and gone. First Nations lost their clans, children lost their lives. The strong survivors do live on and on. Gather the horrors in the corner of your mind. Gather your courage and leave it all behind. Your faith will help you do it. Creator is forever by your side. Thousands of children are happy when you dance and show your pride. Thousands of children are thankful when they see you dance with pride. Thousands of children recapture their own culture and their pride.
Sego, Sewa Guego, Ungwe Sun'a. Welcome, everybody, to the Tyendinaga Mohawk territory. I'm David R. Miracle, Bear Clan, Dehanani Agueros, Cutter of Stone, and I reside on the Mohawk territory here in Tyendinaga. And I hope you guys are prepared to have a beautiful Indigenous Day. And I'd like to acknowledge and honor that we are present here on our traditional hunting grounds of the Haudenosaunee Mohawk peoples of Gundege. I'm honored to be asked to give a blessing by Jijunhet Ungwawana. And I am honored that I am sitting here in my backyard, and I've been doing a good job social distancing and washing my bear paws here, and I hope you guys are too. I just want to say Ganorunqua to everybody out there. And I would like to maybe play you guys a little bit of a song and honor the earth, honor the natural world, our eldest brother, the sun, grandmother moon, our young brothers and sisters, the stars, each and every one of them. And what's going on in the world, I'd like to just maybe give a shout out to all those ones that are hurting right now because of the different things going on and the riots. And again, I just want to spread that Ganorunqua around, and I hope you guys enjoy this little tune here. Y'all go for listening. I'm out of here.
Today we gathered, life cycles flowing on. Each in balance brings harmony beyond. So bring our thoughts together, welcome all. Greetings and thanks, now our minds are one. The earth, our mother, gives us all that we need. Joy comes through her, we do not need to plead. A place for home that we can call our own. Greetings and thanks, now our minds are one. Thanks to the waters for quenching all our thirst. Oceans, rivers, and waterfalls that burst, sending their goodness, filling us with strength. Greetings and thanks, now our minds are one. Rushing winds that give us power, purify the air, bring messages of change and love to all who care. Voices moving through the sky, prepare us for the change. Greetings and thanks, now our minds are one. Creatures, all fish, bugs, and birds, and the warming sun. Moonlight shadows gleam, and stars like jewels spun. He sends guiding elders here to teach the path of good. Greetings and thanks, now our minds are one. Speak greetings with each other. Come all together here. For now our hearts and minds are one.
Sego Silva Guego, Rawanan Jagigo Dano, Jengan Yatesco Deoni. Negine o Darlan de Yagia na Dunkwa, Dano de Garana Gan Guadernota se one when he surade. Negia Yawas, as a Warana knew it, ne? Yago.
Sago, happy Indigenous Peoples Day from us here in Tyndanaga. Nyawa to Jejun Het for supporting Indigenous artists and letting us play some tunes. We hope you like them. Nyawa.
Let the sunset set you free across the valley through the trees. Let the stars bring you to your knees. Get lost to be found, get lost hit the ground. Get lost to be found, get lost. Superstition, let me be. I can get all that I need. Float the river, swim the sea. Let the tide wash you clean. Get lost to be found, get lost hit the ground. Get I'll get lost in the ground. Get lost to be found. Get lost. Free, free, free. Free, free, free. Home is wherever I wanna be. I'm free, free, free. Home is whenever you're here with me. I am free, free, free. Well, I won't back down. No, I won't back down. You can stand me up at the gates of hell, but I won't back down. No, I won't back down. No, I won't back down. In this world that keeps trying to drag me down, gonna stand my ground, and I won't back down. Hey, baby, there ain't no easy way out. Hey, I will stand my ground, and I won't back down. Well, I know it's right. I've got just one life in this world that keeps trying to push me around. Gonna stand my ground, and I won't back down. Hey, baby, there ain't no easy way out. Hey, I will stand my ground, and I won't back down. Hey, baby, there ain't no easy way out. Hey, I will stand my ground, and I won't back down. No, I won't back down.
Gwe gwe zewa gwego, wat gwenu hola donti Dada's Rocker. Hello everyone, and welcome to Dada's Rocker. I'm Dada Dayo Serdunje. Today is a special day. I want to give a big thanks to Jijunhe Ungwa Wana Language and Cultural Center for inviting me to participate in their celebration of Ungwe Humwe Niwa Niserdoda, the Aboriginal Day. Today is the day we celebrate all Ungwe Humwe across Turtle Island. So, today we're going to sing some songs because you know how much Dada loves to sing. So, let's start with the counting song. I'm just going to call it the counting song. And we're going to use ASL. That means American Sign Language. And that's for those who have a hard time hearing. So, we're going to start by counting in slow. Anska, Degini, Asa, Gayeri, Whisk, Yayak, Jada, Sadego, Jotu, Oyeri. How Giwahe. So now we're going to sing it in a song, and this is how the song goes. Aska Degini, Asangayeri, Whisk, Yayak, Jada, Sadego, Jotu, Oyeri. This is just one way we count to 10. In Ganyankeha now we know we can. Yo yanare zewa gwego. So, your turn. Time to try it with me. Aska degani asangayeri whisk. Yayak jada sadego jotu oyeri. This is just one way we count to 10. In Ganyankeha now we know we can. Yay! Yo yanare! So, that's a counting to 10 song. So, I was in the garden planting the other day. I'd love to share with you a little bit about that. Wagyanto, I planted. Wagyanto ne o nanada. I planted potatoes. Wagyanto ne o haranata ni wasogodo ne o nanada. I planted purple potatoes. Purple on the inside and purple on the outside. They're called Peruvian blue potatoes. They come all the way from the Ungwe in Peru. What a beautiful thing. Wagyanto oni ne deyohia kahum. I also planted tomatoes. Some people say deyohia kahum. Some people say yohia kahum. O wagyanto ne oharanata o Ojinagor nok onegwantara ni wasogoda ne deohia kahum. I planted purple and yellow and red tomatoes. It's pretty awesome, all the colors that things come in. Wagyanto oni ne huazontle. I don't know if I'm saying that right. It's a red Aztec spinach. And we don't have a word for it. I don't know a word for it in Ganyangeha. But the word for it, it looks like huazontle. So, if somebody knows it differently than that and I'm saying it incorrectly, please just let me know. Wagyanto oni ne ozaheda ne garaga no kahumji ni wasogoda ne ozaheda. I've also planted beans, white and black beans. The white beans are from the Tyendinaga area. They're called Deseronto potato beans, and they're really known for only being grown in the Deseronto area. Very cool. And those people are the Mohawks. And also I have, the black ones are Hopi black beans. And so that's very cool that we have beans all the way from Hopi territory, which is far in the south. I've also planted squash, Nok Unuzera Goa, and also pumpkins. Nok Oni Wagyanto Ono Unzera Gate. I've also planted watermelons. Sok. Nok Oyonkwa Unwe. Guahtagaan. And also tobacco, of course. And so that's pretty much my whole garden. It's a very small garden because I live in a city now. And so I don't have a lot of space for gardening. But Segun Wagun Weskwini, I still enjoy it. Let's sing the lullaby song. I'd love to share that with you. Okay, it goes like this. Gonorunkwa oira ongoyat danunha chatewani serage noksewani serat anzade yaran nekchi jogonde ongonorunkwa. That's how it goes. So I'm going to share this with you in sign language also, and then we'll do it together in sign language. And I'll tell you the meaning in English so that you understand. So, gonorunkwa, I love you. Oira'a, baby. Ongoya, oh, no. Ongoya, like this. Ongoya danunha. Let me sit back a little bit for this. Gonorunkwa, I love you. Oira'a, baby. Like this, you gotta put like 2 fingers. They kind of go like this, like a letter K, which we haven't learned yet. Ongoya danunha. Put your thumb up like this and go Chatewani serage. Chatewani serage. Noksewani serat. And someday, Anzade Hyara, you will grow up. Nekji Jogunde, but always Ongonorunkwage, I will love you. So that's the words. We're going to try it again, and we're going to try and do the sign with it, okay? All right, let's go. Gonorunkwa oira ongoyat danunha chatewani serage noksewani serat anzade yara nekchi jogunde ongonorunkwage. Oh, yo yonere wa gwego. Chinize wa yande. So that's the song that I wrote for my grandson, and I hope you'll enjoy it at your house too. Well, that's all for today, folks. I hope you are having a great time celebrating Ungwehunwe Niwani Seroda Oni. I hope you're enjoying your Aboriginal Day, whatever you're doing to celebrate. Nyawa Goa. Jiniore Donjidawa Datka. Onigi Wahi.
We
Sego zewa gwego, Jawandas Yungyat, Ganyak Gehagani Wakwan Joda, Gantege Tikidaron Denawaganyatu. My English name is Sarah Dunkley. I am Mohawk Turtle Clan from Tyendinaga Territory. I am a poet, and I just want to give a huge shout out to Jijunhet Ungwawana for all of the work that they do in keeping us carrying our language, helping us relearn and rebuilding, revitalizing. So this is going to be a part of our National Indigenous Peoples Day event for 2020, all things virtual. And I just want to say Nyawagoa for inviting me to participate and share my poetry with you. So I am going to start with my poem called Protecting the Turtle. I am Mohawk. What does this mean? With my light skin, modern day clothes, and new car. Ganyankehaga ni Wakwanjoda. I am Mohawk. What does this mean? With the knowledge of my ancestors and the teachings they share. I am Turtle Clan. What does this mean? With the breakdown of family, disconnection, and dislocation. Waganyatu. I am Turtle Clan. What does this mean? With the beat of my heart, the sound of the drum, I reconnect to all things living, all things spiritual. I am a turtle. Look at me. What do you see? My exterior shell, hard closed off shell, covered in green moss, dirt. Look at me. What do you see? I am a turtle. My slow movements crawling from one moment of time to the next, barely moving at all at times. I am a turtle. Look at me. What do you see? My exterior shell, hard protective shell enveloping the beauty within. Look at me. What do you see? I am a turtle. My slow movements crawling through each moment as though it's my last, ensuring each moment is embraced. As a turtle, I carry the shell as a reminder that I carry the 13 grandmothers on my back. As a turtle, I carry the dirt, the moss, as a reminder that I carry the knowledge of the earth, my mother, on my back. As a turtle, I carry the weight of the world as a reminder that I am Turtle Island, connecting earth and sky together, carrying this weight on my back. As a turtle, I carry the wisdom of my ancestors as a reminder that I am wisdom, and I will always carry this all on my back. I am a turtle. Look at me. What do you see? The exterior shell that is all I allow you to see? The slow-moving, moss-covered protective shell. That is me protecting the turtle. So the next one I'd like to share is called The Highway of Tears, and this is for our missing and murdered Indigenous women. Following your footsteps down the highway of tears, watching them fade, slowly disappear. What is your name? Where are you from? Who are your people? What have you become? A faceless name for some, a nameless face for others, a stat on the radio, notch on the belt, according to some brothers. But here I am, looking down that road, hearing your story, watching it unfold. You are a daughter, mother, sister, and friend, a niece, a granddaughter, and loved so much till the end. Snatched away before your time, a future stolen away, a beautiful young life, everyone wishing you could stay. These are our women, our girls, and our friends. These are our future, let's start to make amends. Too many gone, too many taken, end the violence now, hearts keep on breaking. See all of the beauty that once lived in their eyes, feel all of the pain that's left dying inside, not just in their family and friends, but in a country and nation. A world silencing the issues won't help with salvation. We will stand tall, no longer hiding our face. We will release all the pain you left in our space. Our women are strong whether lost or found. They are the foundation that holds up our ground. Stop looking down your nose, stop walking away. Open your eyes and help them to stay. We are not here to be stolen or broken. We are not here to be an Indian token. I look at my girls and put it into perspective. Whether it's them or me, we are all subjective. I will not follow your footsteps down the highway of tears. I sadly watch you fade away, but we will not disappear. So this next one is called Reconciliation that I had written for Canada 150. Celebration of the colonization, standing on this land stolen from our nations. No more continuation of the fabrication of how Canada became this nation. Understanding the defamation of my ancestors to my generation, from genocide, isolation, and starvation, killing the numbers within our population. No more continuation of the fabrication of how Canada became this nation. forcing us into a different location, changing the vibration of our relation, not only amongst ourselves, but also within creation. No more continuation of the fabrication of how Canada became this nation. Stealing our children, causing desperation, creating a world of criminalization for all of our nations. No more continuation of the fabrication of how Canada became this nation. Now, taking this all into consideration while creating this new civilization, Canada hears the voices of the new generations. No more continuation of the fabrication of how Canada became this nation. No more hiding the truth. Time for reclamation, healing and celebration, truth and reconciliation. Okay, so I am going to leave you with, I think I will do She Rocks. So I wrote this one for an event that I did. And this one I'm going to put out there in honor of my mom, who we had just lost in October. And this really has her written all over it. She is the light that shines down on all of our darkest days. She is the strength that holds us up every time we want to fall. She is the swift flow of the water that carries our worries away. She is the shoulder that our tears fall upon. She is the sounding board of our sometimes roar. She is the foundation that we stomp around on. She loves beyond limitations. She understands without a doubt. She unconditionally wraps us up in warmth. Who is she, you ask? She is our first mother, the earth. She teaches us how to interact with the world. She teaches us how to give, how to receive, and how to let go. She rocks. Who is she really? She is the mother of us all, the daughter, sister, granddaughter, niece. She is the grandmother, auntie, and friend. She rocks. This woman has no limitations of what she can achieve. She reaches for the stars each night when she lays her head down. She shines as bright as the sun in the morning. Sometimes the burden is heavy. Sometimes the bruises hurt. Sometimes life is unbearable. Yet she rocks. She allows all things that no longer serve her well to wash away with the river. She lets it all go like the leaves in the fall. She plants her feet in the earth and allows it all to fall away. She picks herself up every morning. She reminds herself she is worthy. She braces herself for another day. She allows herself to learn new ways. She allows others in that will teach and learn. She will grow and glow and maybe not even realize that she rocks. She roots herself to the earth. She reaches for the stars. She shines bright like the sun. She smiles like the moon. She goes with the flow like the river. She breathes new life like the wind. She glows warmth like the fire. She is sweet like the berries. She is medicine like the plants. She is a strong, solid foundation. She is a soft, gentle caress. She is a true, honest caretaker. She is a humble, beautiful flower. She is a glistening, quiet stream. She is a confident, protective mama bear. She is all that she dreams to be. She is all that she envisions. She is all that she allows herself to be. She rocks. And so I think that with that, I'm going to be done. And I just want to say Nyawagoa once again. So these poems are part of a book that I'm writing called The Beauty After the Storm that will hopefully be out later, maybe July. And fingers crossed. So Nyawagoa, thank you. Happy Indigenous Peoples Day, everybody. Ganarunkwa Ona.